What is up, guys? Today we got the Traxxas trx4 out. There's a little bit of rain. I say a little bit. It's alright. We're just gonna have a quick little crawl around, have some fun. I'm gonna go down here so I can catch the thing. We made this little contraption on my controller so I can record and drive. Ow! Drive at the same time. I know I can make it down there. I'm not going over there with it, but they can go in. Now this is a very nice driving truck. It's also got, like, it's perfect for crawling. If you need some extra power, it's got that extra power. What's over here? Look deep. Now I haven't got too long to record, so it might be a short video. But please go over to GTRC, buy one of these rigs. They're pretty fun. They're pretty good actually too. That's a bit deep. We'll pull it over there. Or I will. You guys can't because you guys are watching. Yeah. Yeah. We'll see if I can go over to it. Yeah. Now this is the bike and bag that I take everything in. I am extremely careful when biking in the rain. Always do be when you are biking, because especially in the rain, it is quite dangerous. This truck has had quite a good life so far. Been easy on it. I've only done, so far it's only got a bumper lift on the front and rear. Not sure how the regular bit is holding up. Oh, my finger. Whoa! Oh, regular spot's a bit flooded. Now this is probably going to be the new crawl spot. This is actually pretty good though. I quite like it. It's good to record, easy place to record stuff. Can I actually get it out of this bit? Yeah. That's quite steep actually, it just made it up there like nothing. Oh, that trims off by a lot. Far out. There. How am I going to get down, let alone the truck? Another truck could probably do this. I'm a different story. Don't know why I didn't bring my red bands. Good old articulation this thing has. Dandy. I might not do that actually. Let's try and come back over here. Over there, because I can't carry that. My dad was real worried about how harsh the suspension was. Like, it was quite stiff, but he was surprised on how well it gets moving, because it's quite a good, you know, it does it real easy. Oh, that was like, oh, I spoke too soon. That's what the extra little kick in the accelerator is. Now it's got a pretty good drag brake. Take that off. Oh, my bad. Oh, oh. Oh God. Oh, this thing just go, go, go. Now the only thing issues we've had with it is servo horn, which I'll show you guys if I can find the clip through my gallery. I'll show you guys what happened when it. Oh, actually, I don't think I recorded that bit. It went up, and it just doof. It went up a hill in this area, and it's just started jumping down. Stripped the original one, and then we got a. I stopped recording and I talked to the phone for a whole minute. See if I can anywhere else. We'll put it back down over here. Do comment what you want to see in these trucks. I've got a lot of crawlers. Now, I'm doing a build at the moment, the Rustler Slash thing, and it's very quick. I've just done a little quick test run with it the other day. Didn't record it, well I did, but to see what I can get done, how it drives, go through the log. But I'm just going to say it was running on this 2S LiPo, but we're going to put it on. I'm putting it onto 3S eventually. So we're going to run it on 3S, and it's going to be a wheelie machine. I reckon this should be it, because I've probably got to go soon, because it's starting to get a bit harder. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment what you want to see, go to GTRC, buy one of these things, and thank you for watching.